Okay, this is a video demo of the Amazon Fire TV. So this is your Amazon home screen. This is what's going to come up after you log into the box. What you're going to do is you are going to double click the home button on your remote here. If you double click that button there, it will launch into Kodi. You can also get into Kodi if your double click isn't working for some reason. Try resetting your box by just unplugging the power. But you can also scroll down to settings, over to applications, manage all installed applications, and then go to Kodi. And that will launch the program there. Okay, so this is your screen. It's probably gonna pop up to here. This is where all of your movies, TV shows, sporting events are all going to be here under videos. These are your shortcuts that I have. These are the shortcuts I have installed. You can change the shortcuts. I do have videos on how to change that. But these are the ones that I find are the most useful add-ons. There's also other add-ons. If you go here, under videos, go to add-ons. There's additional add-ons in here that you can use. You can always add more by going to get more. But for now, we're going to focus on these. So for movies and TV shows, I use PrimeWire or One Channel and Genesis the most often. I was using Genesis most of the time, but it's been a little buggy lately. So for purposes right now, I've been recommending people use PrimeWire. But so open up PrimeWire, and we'll go to TV shows. And you can go in here you can search, you can go to featured or most popular. If we go to most popular, we'll choose some, we'll go to Walking Dead here, okay? We'll choose it. You have all the different seasons listed here. It'll have every episode from every season. We'll select the most recent episode, start to finish, that just aired this last Sunday. And we'll hit resume. And then I find that if you choose the link with the most amount of views, that's the most reliable. This one's got 52,000 views. I also really like the video.me. Those are some really good streams. I don't seem to have problems with those. It does change from time to time though. But we'll go with the most popular, the one with the most amount of views, and it will load up just like that. And there we have it. Okay, so that is your TV shows. Now, if you want to add it as a favorite, if you like Walking Dead or any other show, just hit this 3-line button here on the remote, right there, and it'll bring up a context menu and just add to XBMC favorites. And then what that's going to do is when you're back on this the Kodi home screen, if you just navigate down to that little star right there, it pulls up all your favorites right there. And then you can also rename it or remove it. So I'm going to remove it, but that's basically how you do that. Same thing's true for movies. If you want to watch a movie, we can go to movies, featured. It's going to give the ones that people are really looking at. So we'll do Hotel Transylvania. We'll resume it here. And again, use the one with the most views here. Or a high amount of views. I guess there was one with more views than that, but this is the one we're using right now. So wait for it to load. That one didn't end up working, so we'll choose a different one. Sometimes you gotta wait a few seconds. That one didn't want to work either. Sometimes it takes a few tries to get a good stream. We'll try prompt file here. There we go. Loads right up. Now for Genesis, it's going to be similar. Sometimes, like I said, Genesis was an incredible add-on. It was awesome before, but lately it's been a little buggy. But we'll go to movies, featured. We'll try Ant-Man here. gonna load up your sources, and let's try this one here. Okay, sometimes you're gonna get this little CAPTCHA code. I try to avoid the ones that have that, but we'll do it here. Just enter in the code that it's asking for. 3, hopefully we have the right one. There we go. You can also save favorites in Genesis the same way. Hit that 3-line button again. You can add to favorites. The only difference is it's not going to go on that front screen. It's going to go right here under My Genesis. And it'll be under favorite movies or favorite TV, whichever you put. So I'll remove it. Now, these are some other add-ons here. Phoenix is great. It's got some great playlists here. There's also some live TV channels in here in Phoenix. You can do that. They have some, if you go here, the difference is current movies. It'll give the most recent movies. It'll only have like a few different streams to choose from. But it's I love Phoenix. I use Phoenix a lot. For sports, this is where we're going to go. We're going to go to Sports Double right here. Now, to navigate, we go down to Live Sports. This is only going to work if the game or the event has started already. You won't be able to get into the event if it hasn't started. So if the game starts at 8, you got to go in at 8 or 8:05 or something like that. You can't get in it. It'll tell you that there's no stream available if you get in there before the event has started. So these are you can choose all these different ones here, but the ones I use the most often are this one here at dhenet.tv and then both of the First Row Sports. So we'll go here, and this one, it just has all the different events for today listed. These are a bunch of soccer events we'll get later in the day. I don't know if there's any basketball or hockey or anything going on. Okay, so Milwaukee Bucks versus the Detroit Pistons. So you can go here and you can select on the link and it should load it right up. If that one does not work, try one of the other links. And you can also go to one of these other ones here and it breaks it down by sport. So that's basically it. One thing to always do when you're done watching Cody, when you're done watching it for the day or for, you're walking away from the TV, you're done watching it, you're going to turn your TV off, always hit your home button and bring it back to the Amazon home screen. If you don't do this, it will not allow the Fire TV or the Fire Stick to go to sleep. It will continue to run if it's in this Cody program here. It'll continue to run, and especially with the sticks, it'll burn them up. So always make sure to hit that home button and bring it back to the screen. And that's it.